Hi everybody, this is Maria with Toys in the Store. Today I have some plastic egg surprise to open and Kinder Surprise eggs to open. And some of them are Masha Medved, some of them Minions Egg Surprise, and some of them My Little Pony Kinder Surprise. Let's start with My Little Pony Kinder Surprise. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos that I do. And if you like this video, I did a few videos with Kinder Egg surprises already, so if you want to check them out, link in the bio. Let's see what we get. Oops. Oh wow, what is this? Oh, I think it's a little robot. In my other videos, I got green robot like that. And this one is orange. I know it comes with stickers. Look, he has different stickers and you can make him look nice or evil. This is all different colors you can get. I already have green one. This is the orange one. And let's put it together and pick out some stickers. Okay, let's put his head on. And look guys, which one should I pick? Okay, let's pick the blue stickers. Here you go, little buddy. Here's your eye. And here is tummy for you. And look guys, you can put the rest of the stickers, you can fold them neatly and put it inside his head. For next time you want to switch him around and make him look a little different, you already have stickers hidden in his head. Think that's pretty interesting. He looks cute. Next, I'm going to have Pony Egg Surprise. It's a plastic egg. It comes with hard candy, a sticker, and a surprise. Let's see what we get. Here's some hard candy. I think it's a necklace. Let's see what picture is on our necklace. Oh, it's Rainbow Dash. That's cute. And there's a sticker as well. And here is collector's guide. You can get comb, a necklace, hair accessory, and here is the sticker with Rainbow Dash. Next is Spiderman Egg Surprise, sweets and surprise inside. Okay, There's a hard candy. And it tastes just the same as what you get in Little Pony Egg. Oh, look at this guy. It's Sandman. And what is that? It looks like a pin. I'm having trouble. Okay, look, this is definitely a Sandman and it's a pin. And you can pin it on your t-shirt. Pretty interesting. And this comes with sticker of Spiderman. And let's look at the collector's guide. What are the options? Oh, I see. Let's move on Kinder Surprise Masha and Medved. This is cartoon. You can watch it on YouTube. I like it. It's very cute cartoon, real funny too. I hope I get some characters today. I opened few of those eggs already and I never got any characters from the cartoon. I really wish it's gonna be the day today when I get some character. Oh my gosh, I did get a character. Let's see who it is. Oh, looks like a piggy. And I think piggy is named Rosie. Oh, these are all the characters you can get. Oh, that's so cool. This is the piggy. Let's put her together. Looks a little bit complicated. Okay, I put her together. Look how cute she is with earphones and music player. Here's the sticker. Look, it's a cassette player. Old-fashioned. Ah, that's so cute. She looks adorable. I'm excited. I finally got something. Okay, let me get next. This is from a big box of Minion Kinder Surprises. Let's see if we get Minion character today. Oh my gosh, look at this. We got Minion. Yeah, I'm so excited. Wow, look at this. We got Kevin. Oh wow, it's a Kevin with lava lamp gun. And he is adorable. And I think his hair, you can touch them. They're like brush hair. Oh yeah, that's cute. And looks like Kevin is from 1960s. I'm going to open Spiderman Surprise Egg again. Oh, this time is ball. That's really cool. Look guys, it's Green Goblin character. Oh, very cool. Very interesting. And you get hard candy. And let's check collector's guide again if you missed anything last time. This is the ball. Very, very cool. You can collect 6 different balls. And here is Spiderman sticker again. Okay, next is My Little Pony Sweets and Surprise. Oh wow, we got something new. I got comb. That's really cool. I never got comb yet. I opened quite a few of those. I never got comb. Yay! We got Rainbow Dash comb. And here is hard candy and a sticker. Rainbow Dash sticker, the same we got before. And here you can get 3 different combs or 3 of variety of anything. Okay, next is Kinder Surprise, Masha and Medved. I'm pretty excited about those eggs. I hope I get another character from the cartoon. Oh my gosh, that's so cool! We got bear! Look guys, we got bear with chef's outfit on. It was pretty easy to put together. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, I really need now to get Masha. So I have full set. Look, there's 3 Mashas and I need to get 1 at least. Oh, there's 4 Mashas. I got Bear, I got Rosie. Very cool. Adorable. Okay, next I'm going to open My Little Pony Kinder Surprise. Let me see if I'm going to get the little pony. Oh, what is this? That's not a pony, that's a ring. Okay, I don't mind ring, it's cute too. And look guys, here you can get 2 different rings or a bracelet. And we have to put this ring together. And it's adorable ring, has a characters of little ponies pictures on it. It's cute. Oh, how do I look? Does it look fashionable? Oh, yay. And my last one will be Kinder Egg Surprise Masha Medved. Let's see if we get 3 for 3. Let's see if we get Masha this time. Oh, it's a bunny. We did not get any character from cartoon. That's okay. I like the bunny. It's a bunny with crayons on both of his feet and his hands. You can draw different pictures, and this bunny comes with green and red crayons. It looks super cute. And it's real tiny, so you can go put it in your pocket and go on a trip and use it there, and it's not gonna be heavy to carry. These are two of my favorite characters today because I was waiting to find them, finally found them. Super excited about it. And I'm looking forward to getting more. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you had fun. Let me know in the comment section which one of the characters was your favorite. Thanks for watching Toys in a Store channel. Don't forget to leave big thumbs up and subscribe to see a lot more fun videos. See you next time.